Hi everyone. In this video I want to show you the PDF interactive mode and what makes it so special. As you may know, FormTitan has two types of manual PDF generation. One is called basic, the other dynamic. In both instances you create a kind of mold, a template, and you use the form fields in it. And the way it works is when a form filler enters data and presses on submit, his input is then poured into this mold, into the PDF layout you created, and the PDF is opened in a preview window. Once the filler approves this copy and continues, this PDF is generated. So in fact, in this scenario, the form filler can only enter data inside the form, and the PDF preview that is generated cannot be edited. Okay, it's static. So if the filler wants to change something like a spelling mistake, he needs to close the preview, go back to the form and change the data he entered. So this is where the interactive mode comes in. And why? Because this allows you to have some or all of your form fields editable inside the preview window. Now let's see this in action. I've created this very basic form in which the filler will need to enter his name, assistant, and signature. I will now connect it to PDF mapping. Under Form, PDF, Mapping, I will choose the first option, which is a manual PDF. And I will upload a page, which is essentially it's a PDF that it's a paper document that I've scanned. Okay. Sorry, it's not here. Just a minute. Okay, PDF test. This is it. Okay, so this will be the background to my PDF. As I've said before, it's a scanned document. Okay, now that it's loaded, I'll just fix the zoom so I can see it all, and I'll drag my elements on. This is the name, I'll put it here. The font is too small, so I'll make it bigger. Assistant here, and the signature. Okay. What I now have to do is configure the settings. I'm going to I want preview before submit, so the form filler can see it before he submits the form. And I'm not going to tick the interactive mode first because I want to show you the difference between the regular PDF and the interactive one. Apply, save, and I want to publish the form and show you. Okay, so this is my form. I will enter a name, assistant, and signature, and I will submit. This will open the preview of this PDF. Okay, and as you can see, I cannot edit the fields inside the preview. Now let's change it. We'll go back, okay, to the form builder, to the PDF mapping, to the settings, and we'll turn on the interactive mode. After we turn it on, there's a button to configure, and what we need to do is choose the fields that we want to be editable inside this preview window. Let's choose the signature. You know what? Let's choose them all. I can also decide to make a field inside the preview required or inherit the style it has in the form, and I can also make the fields editable inline or outline. Okay, I'll press apply. Let's save it. And let's refresh our form. and try again. Now you'll see that I can give my name and press submit. It will open the preview, the PDF preview, but this time I will be able to edit the data. And sign here. And that's the difference, folks. And this is the interactive PDF mode. Thank you.